Hey, I'm Victor Alpha 5 Mike Uniform Delta and welcome to my channel. On today's how-to, I'm going to show you how I took this ordinary WattCycle 20 amp hour battery and made it even better. That's right, made it better with one of these. So, if you guys like what you're seeing right now, please take a moment to like and subscribe to this channel. I promise you I got all sorts of great gadgets and how-tos for the ham radio enthusiast. Alright, let's get back with the show. The WattCycle 20 amp hour battery. One great battery. Man, it's lightweight. There's not much to it. A lot of power. 20 amp hours is a perfect amount of power for a POTA activation or field operation. But you got these terminals here, which are great. We got the little screws, right? Here's the screw. Screws in. But they are exposed. So if you short them out, you're going to have yourself one dead battery. The BMS doesn't like being shorted out. You're going to have to call tech support, possibly, and possibly your warranty is going to be void on this battery. So how do we solve that? How do we keep things all tight? And who wants to have a big giant battery box to put a battery into, right? Well, I got something simple, and you guys can see in the back, I got the build how-to going on in the background. We got this. I've designed this custom 3D printed file to snap right on top, and it's held down by the two screws on each end here. With this on here, you got yourself two sets of PowerPole connections that are also fused with whatever fuse you want to put on there, and gives you the protection on the top from getting anything dropping and shorting out. So that's right. This is something that is needed, and you want to have this on top of your battery. This is also being provided free on my website, mrmuds.com. Go check it out. You can download the file. I'll also be putting it on Thingiverse. So you guys could grab this file and you can do whatever you want with it. You can modify it. You can take these power poles out. It's actually endless what you could do with this top. I'm on the third revision right now. I got this guy here, and I'm changing all sorts of things. I'm putting in the power pole connectors a little bit deeper into the case. I've increased the height slightly, so there's a little bit more. You can see the height difference there. There's a little bit more room in there. It's made for you for hams. It's made to be modified. Whatever you want to do to it, you can do whatever you want. It's it's open source, guys. It's open source. Take this. You can put yourself a little power meter in there. Cut yourself a little spot out or print out something, and you could put basically a little indication what you have on here. You can make this a little bit taller and put an accessory outlet. Whatever you want, you can do whatever you want using this battery, and this top will give you guys the ultimate in a go-to battery for POTA or whatever you want. Now, the steps in the back there, very simple. I mean, I'm going to put in a little material list in the link and in the description below. Build however you want. If you guys have any questions, you want a little more detailed of a build, please just drop a line in the messages below. I'll help you guys out. We want to build these things, and we want to make these things really popular. Anything else I get from WattCycle, any other batteries, I'm going to be making a top for them if they fit my printer. So, hey, you guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave comments below, like I said below, and see you hams on the bands. And if you're not a ham, what are you waiting for? Go get your license. 73s.